me, Megan, here at Fit Life. I'm going to talk to you today about cracking your back. And I've got some help from the June 2018 Women's Health Magazine. A lot of us do it. We twist and turn to alleviate, a little pinch that we're feeling. And what you're doing is, through that alleviation, you're releasing gas, and that's what that pop or cracking sound is. And every once in a while, it feels good, but it should be something that you're doing chronically or ongoing, right? You need to incorporate stretching instead, because what you're doing is the cartilage eventually wears out, and that can lead to increased pain and even tears. So what you need to do are more exercises where you lie on your back, tuck your knees in, turn one way and the other in order to stretch, where we're not getting that gas release pop, more you're stretching the correct way, right? So you should seek advice from a doctor if you have true back pain and what you should do moving forward to alleviate it. So just make sure every once in a while a crack might be okay, but don't make it something as part of your morning routine or the way that you warm up or cool down for exercise. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thank you.